Hello engineers, there's a recruitment update by IHMCL which is recruiting directly through GATE 2025 score. This IHMCL, it's an initiative by NHAI and they are recruiting for the post of engineers for ITS. ITS means Intelligent Transport System. You can see they have released this post in even grade with a pay scale of 40,000 to 1,40,000. For unreserved category, 21 vacancies are there. For OBC non-creamy layer, 13 vacancies are there. For SC, 7 vacancies are there. For ST, 3 vacancies are there. And for EWS, 5 vacancies are there, which makes a total of 49 vacancies directly through the GATE score of 2025. And monthly allowance of 84,000 will be paid approximately, which includes dearness allowance, cafeteria allowance, house rent allowance, etc., which makes the CTC approximately 11 lakh rupees. You can see this. Other details are mentioned. Educational qualification is mentioned. The students who have done their BTech degree in information technology, computer science, electronics and communication, electrical, instrumentation, data science and artificial intelligence, or combination of any of these branches are eligible for applying. But again, I'm telling you, it's a direct recruitment through GATE 2025 score. You can see this. Only GATE score of 2025 will be used here for this recruitment. The online application has already started from 2nd of May. The last date of applying online is 2nd of June. You can see this clearly. The age limit is also mentioned here. The lower age limit for general category candidates is 21 years and the upper age limit for general category is 30 years. This age limit is relaxed for other categories. Like you can see, for SC/ST category, the upper age limit is relaxed by 5 years. For OBC category, it is relaxed by 3 years. For candidates with 3-year continuous service in central government, provided the posts are in same of allied cadres, the upper age limit is relaxed again by 5 years. For the persons ordinary domiciled in the Union Territory of Jammu and Kashmir during 1/1/1980 to 31/12/1989, the upper age limit is again relaxed by 5 years. For person with disabilities, you can see this, the upper age limit by 15, 13 and 10 years based on the category. For ex-servicemen, period of military service plus 3 years. This is the age relaxation criteria they have provided. And for other categories, they have also provided. Important dates I have also already told you. The minimum essential qualification is mentioned here. You can just go through it. The application must fulfill the essential qualification for the post as mentioned above. Means the candidate should have BTech degree in all the branches that were listed above in the table. Eligibility for availing reservation. So all these things are mentioned here. You can quickly go through this PDF and you can find out all the details in this PDF mentioned here. Procedure to apply, you have to visit the official website, which is www.ihmcl.co.in, and here only you will get a link to apply online. In this online application, you have to upload all the required documents like 10th class mark sheet, 12th class mark sheet, photo, signature, all these things are mentioned here. And if you belong to any caste, so caste certificate you have to upload here. GATE score you have to upload here, GATE 2025 score. Okay, make sure that the picture quality is good when you are uploading all these things. So if you have liked this information, don't forget it to share with your friends. Thank you for watching.